Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Yeah. This is something simple and easy and healthy as well. What I did, this is dinner. This is my dinner. I made me some noodles and a wrap, a lettuce wrap. Set, it's called a lettuce wrap. I put this together to see how, and to hold it up, put some foil over it, okay? And so what I got in here, I got some pepper jack cheese. That's too cold. I got some garlic, um, some red onion. I got ham and turkey, pepper jack cheese. That's the cheese right there wrapped up in a lettuce and stuff. And actually, this is really good, you guys. Oh my goodness. And it's real healthy for you. I guarantee. Oh my goodness. Yep, this is my dinner. I just want to come back, you guys, to show you, what I'm eating for dinner. Okay, and this right here, this is what you call it's garlic pickle. You can find that because I got it in my local grocery store, and I'm telling you guys, this right here, this is pickle okra. Oh my goodness, that is delicious. Oh, excuse me. Ooh, that pickle garlic with down my throat, windpipe. Oh, wow. And I just got me some extra pickle in a sandwich bag. And that's my noodles. It's a good, simple dinner. You all could, excuse me, you also can have this for lunch as well. You know? Yeah. See, it's still hot. See a little smoke. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what I got going on, cooking on my cooking channel. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on and you see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. All right, I just want to come back to show you guys what I'm eating for dinner. Yep, very healthy. I guarantee. Yep. Take it down there. Yep. All right. Oh, another thing when I'm drinking on, you guys probably saw this before. This is really good as well. So that's what I'm drinking on. Yes. Yep, that's what I'm drinking on. All right, bye. I'm out of here. And definitely it's going to be a short video. Guys, what I have to do, I just went ahead and got it. When I told you what I eat it with the sandwich. So, because I know a lot of people don't know what okra pickle is, but this is how it look. And like I said, I got this in my local grocery store. So yeah, and it's really, guess it's really from Texas. Talk of Texas, that's what it said. Hand picked. And this right here is the garlic dill pickle. See, got some little old seeds down there. And this kind of, it's okay, you know, and stuff. So I just want to come back to show you guys that, when I told you I had got some and put it in the bag, okay? Yeah. So yeah, I just wanna, if you guys ever wanna make you guys like a lettuce wrap sandwich and stuff, this is really good with this. I guarantee, it's very very good. Mm-hmm. And like I said, it's very good with the sandwich. Yep. Yep. See, and then always when you do this, this is stay so good. You got with the red onion. I got the red onions and pepper jacks cheese and my cheese with ham and turkey lunch meat. Yeah. So this is very very healthy and good, especially and then of course with my noodles. All right, so I just want to come back to show you guys that, okay? Because yeah. All right, and I'll see you guys in the next upload video. Bye bye. Oh, so they do have, yeah. See where it say dill pickle loaded with fresh garlic. Is that packed with quality ingredient? And yeah, this is the dill pickle case. Okra water, vinegar, salt, because you can taste the vinegar in it. Spice, and it is spicy a little bit, yeah. All right, let me out of here. Let me finish my dinner. All right, see you guys in the next upload video. Bye bye. I just want to come back. And again, you guys can use any kind of noodle that you desire. Okay? All right. Bye bye.